So as you can see, when someone click contact us, then he will be redirected to this section. Well, we can add one section more like a team. So let's add that. So anchor, yeah, and let's add over here also link, team, done, team, done. Let's drag it to bottom, done. Let's preview again. So as you can see, when someone click over here, as you can see, this is really professional. So guys, I hope you have learned how to customize each and everything. So as you can see, I have told you to mention business info. This is the business info, and map. Now let's go back again.